Hello friends, in this video I will show how to restore your history in Google Chrome browser. Click on these menu icons. Here click on account. Now here click on data and privacy. Here guys you will see history settings. Click on my activity. So here you can filter by data and product. Select time range and you will see all history. So this way you can restore your history in Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.